Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we have gathered all our references and have organized our reference board all across, including our main inspiration board, now we can start the concept and design phase. So before I start concepting, I want to talk about a couple things. First is the methods of concepting. So we can either do concepting in 3D or we can do our concepting in 2D. For the purpose of this course and the audience this is intended for, I'm going to do it in 2D so that we can develop something quick and it'll be easier for our beginners to follow along as well. So we will be using a software to be doing our 2D concepting, and the software I'll be using is called Krita. Krita is a free software that you can download, and if you are very familiar with Photoshop, you should be able to get familiar with Krita very quick if you haven't already. If you don't have Krita, you can visit their website to download the software for free. Simply visit their website, krita.org, and once you are there, you can either click on Get Krita Now or the download button. Either one is fine. And then you click on the download installer. And then if under the all downloads version, you can see that they have different operating systems for whichever one you're running. So after you've downloaded the installer, go ahead and run it so you can get Krita running on your computer. So now that you have Krita downloaded and installed on your computer, go ahead and start running it. Once Krita is all loaded up, you should see something like this on your screen. Like I mentioned previously, if you're familiar with Photoshop, you should be able to get familiar with Krita fairly quick. But if you're not familiar with Photoshop, don't worry. Krita is a fairly user-friendly tool and beginner-friendly as well. To get started, click on New File, and you can either set your own custom document size, or you can pick out one of the templates that's been given. For this, I'm just going to pick out the US letter. 300 dpi is fine, and I'm going to hit Create. Now we have our canvas in front of us, and we should be able to get started on designing our character.